Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. I have many recipes that I use lemon in. I enjoy the taste of it. There's also another similar flavor that I like, which is from lemongrass. One is a fruit, while the other is a type of grass. Some of you might not know how to prep lemongrass, but it is actually quite easy. And here's how to do it. So my friends, let's get cooking. Here are some lemongrass sticks, and you'll see how easy it is to prep them. First, we'll remove the root end right about here. If it's too hard to cut, give a good whack with your knife and discard this piece. Then we'll cut the other end as well and discard it. We'll make a little slit and peel off the tough outer layers. Now we'll cut in half and slice it so we'll end up with half moon cuts, or we can just slice it as usual. Another way to prepare it is to use the back of the knife and tenderize the stem while turning it, just like this. This will release the lemongrass scent and make it easier to slice as well. If there's lemongrass left over, place them in a resealable freezer bag and transfer to the freezer for later use. As you saw in this video, lemongrass is easy to prepare. Now that you know how, I'm sure you'll be more inclined to buy this lovely ingredient more often. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!